What I should have done is routed the hinge mortise for this door to match the thickness of the hinge leaf. Instead, what I did was did it to half the knuckle. That's going to make this door a little too tight in its opening. But there's an easy fix here. What I can do is shim the hinge mortise with a couple of pieces of cardboard if necessary, just cut to fit the right size. And once it's in place, I can either glue it in or just use the hinge screws to hold it down. What I need is for that to be flush though. Another solution is to set the hinge in place and then measure the difference now with a dial caliper so I can make a wood hinge that matches that same thickness. Then I can glue that in place and install the hinge, and we're back on track. Now for the rest of the hinges, I'll need to reset the router, but here's an easy way to make up for an oversight in cutting hinge mortises.